Okay. What is the sounds of the cat? Okay. Very good. What is the sounds of the dog? Very good. What is the sounds of the goat? Very good. How about the elephant?
Elephant?
Yeah. Very good. How about the tiger? Very good. How about the duck? Duck.
Duck?
Yeah. Very good. How about the bird? Bird. Yeah. Sounds of the bird.
Tweet.
Yeah, that's the sounds of the bird. How about the cow?
Moo.
Very good. Good job, baby. Okay. How about the frog? Sounds of the frog. Okay, that's the kukak. Kukak, kukak, kukak. Okay. How about the lizard? Yeah, lizard. Oh, like that. Eating insects. Again? Sounds of the lizard. Very good. Good job, baby.
Do my wait. Tita, there.
Ah, there's a lizard. Okay, next. What is the sounds of the wolf? Good job, baby. Very good job. Very good. Uy. Again. Yeah, that's the wolf. Okay. How about the sheep? Very good. Good job. The horse. Sounds of the horse. Horse.
Horse?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like
Horse? No. Yeah, that's the horse. Oh. What's the sounds of the horse? Okay. What else? What's the sounds of the pig?
Big.
Pig, pig.
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. Very good. How about the bees? Oh. Good job, baby. That's it for today. Bye-bye.
Bye. To bless daddy.
Yeah, bye.